comment a while ago, and forgive me for zeroing in on the things you commented.
That's
nobody
fine,
else
Senator.
picks up. But you said lawyers don't criticize a judge because a judge is a judge.
Yes, sir.
Is that fair?
That is.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, isn't the reverse true? That if a Chief Justice, the most powerful lawyer in the state of Tennessee, says we ought to retain these people, now, he's a judge. What lawyer is going to not go with that judge? I mean, if a lawyer doesn't want to criticize a judge because the judge is a judge, what lawyer will not do what the judge says because the judge is a judge? I mean, we're not talking about somebody out on the street giving a backhanded endorsement or something. He, above all, knows what the qualification of a candidate for judicial spot is. He's gone through it. He has no excuse not to know what a candidate is or what an endorsement is or endorsement's not. I might. I'm not a lawyer. People out in the audience may not know, but he, Chief Justice Wade, is the Chief Justice of our Supreme Court. He knows what he can and can't do, and yet he did it. And nobody would sign a complaint, maybe, because, in your words, a lawyer doesn't want to criticize a judge because a judge is a judge. What lawyer is going to file a complaint against a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court?
I understand exactly your sentiments. And that's one of the reasons that two things. One, why y'all put public members on the board when you created it 2 years ago that aren't lawyers, and they've provided great service to us in a non-lawyer perspective. And secondly, that's why we do a lot of our things in secret, because we can go talk to lawyers and have investigators talk to lawyers, and they will tell us things. Sometimes they'll say, well, I'm not going to complain, but I'll tell you what's going on. And we can find things out before the judge knows that we are doing this investigation. But as far as lawyers and judges working together, it's tough. Sandra Day O'Connor and Republican Party says, having judges be apolitical and independent and also run for election is just a tough thing. And so there's no really good way to pick a judge. It's a tough situation. And that's why we're here, to try to sort through that. And if there's a clear violation, then it's our job to go after that.
Members, we've got 4 more people